Hi, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your extreme weather outlook, and we're talking about another winter storm here impacting the western U.S., eventually moving out into the central U.S., but minimal amounts of precipitation there in terms of snow. Central rain and snow again kind of messing up some commutes perhaps over the next several days, and then looking ahead to next week turning very chilly. In fact, some Arctic air on the way for the midsection of the nation. Take a look at some of these rainfall tallies. On Monday, Red Bluff almost an inch, and Fortuna coming in at nearly a half an inch. And we're not quite done with the specific moisture. As you can see, wave after wave continuing to whip the west coast. Here's another one on Wednesday into Thursday, and another one yet set to push in for Thursday and Friday. But those precipitation values over the next 5 days could be on the order of maybe 2 to 4 plus some isolated 6-inch amounts, which could lead to a little bit of flooding, especially over Southern California. There's your best chance of flooding today, which does include Los Angeles, and also here for Wednesday, some isolated flood concerns. Once you move that moisture to the high elevations, the Sierra Nevada range still could be talking 1 to 2 feet through Thursday. Some spots through northern Arizona, the Four Corners region, also seeing some pretty decent snow. But probability of 4 inches of snow, highest over the Sierra Nevada range today and tomorrow. And as I mentioned, once you move into the central U.S., those precipitation values decrease a little bit, but there could be some shower and thunderstorm activity over the southern half of the Mississippi River Valley that could lead to some maybe 1 inch plus rainfall tallies, which is not good news. Of course, we're coming off of significant flooding, still dealing with flooding in some areas of the central U.S. But on the northern side of that, we're talking some snowfall through Thursday, probability of at least an inch of snow on Wednesday from eastern Minnesota into northern Wisconsin, and then on Thursday, still some of that snowfall potential. 28 today in Minneapolis, 30s and 40s along the eastern seaboard. That's where it's cooler than average, but we are looking at some very chilly conditions coming in by late weekend and early next week. Look at those single digits for Saturday and Sunday in Bismarck and also in Minneapolis.